Yeah, for helping my family. Uritonda ntwike.
ubu ndayisatura hanyuma ndakuramo inzuzi zayo hanyuma ndayironge ndayiteke hejuru nshyiraho ibiharage. Ndi umurundikazi, izina ryanje Macumi Helena, nkaba mfise imyaka 5 hano muri Canada.
Ya nitwa Ntayizaniye John, narirya twari twaje nyene ari umwana wacu aturenifiye.
Ibyo kurya nibwo buzima bw'umuntu, nkuko imodoka idashobora kugenda mu ibarabara itagira amavuta, niko n'umuntu mu mibereho yiwe atabonye ikintu cyo kurya adashobora kugira ubuzima bwiza.
Je nkunda guteka cyane cyane iyo nshaka kugira surprise umuryango wanje. Ya mama dufatanye ibintu byose, twari dufite restaurant hakora mu nda na boutique, ubwo twarasimburanye, umwe agakora muri restaurant undi agakora muri boutique, mbega byose byinjiza amahera kuri twebwe.
Vira mu nzira kenda hariya hirya nkinguru
Nakubishije.
natanguye kurima kera nkiri umwana kuko nabona ibyo ababyeyi bakora, bakagenda mbaherekeza ngenda inyuma yabo niga kurima kugeza n'igihe nabimenye. Muri Tanzania twararimye, mu Burundi wacu mba twararimye, muri Malawi, South Africa, ani muri Malawi twari ku murima w'ibigori n'inyanya.
Ariko bitewe n'akamenyero dukunda ibintu by'uburimyi, ahantu twaca hose tukabona hari agashamba keza twavuga ngo waharimike.
Zishobora kubaho nta kintu ndiko ndakora, ntabwo bishobora kunkundi, numva nta munezero nshobora kuba mfise. Ngenda ndimo ibintu bitandukanye.
Ni ukuvuga igiterwa ndagifata nk'ikinyabuzima ku buryo menya icyo gikeneye. Iyo nkiravye ndamenya ko icyo gikeneye, kigwaye ndabimenya, gishonje ndabimenya, nkakigaburira ibigikwiye nanje kugira nze nkiboneho umusaruro.
Ibiterwa nk'imbuto iyo ndazihumbitse ndazitwararika, nkazivomera, nkamenya amazi uburyo nyashyiraho. Nk'uko umubyeyi yita ku mwana wiwe, niko n'utwo tubebe tw'utubuto twanje numva ndukurikirana kugeza igihe tuzakura tukabona umusaruro, nkabona icyo mfashisha umuryango wanjye. Ibyo bintu bibashe kuboneka, gukura kugira ngo mbone igitunga umuryango. Ikintu cya mbere, nkunda uburimyi, nkunda kurima, numva ari ibintu binezera cyane, kubera iyo ndiko ndarima numva mba nishimye, mbikora numva nta gahato, aje numva mbyiyumvamo.
My name is Edmond Nyanyeshu. I'm 21 years old. In my family, I'm the 12th child.
I'm Roderick, the last born of this family, and 19 years old, currently doing the last year of high school.
In my childhood, I got to eat fresh foods from the garden, and I also learned skills on how to plant crops and how to water them and how to take care of a garden. So it's kind of like a survival skill I have because of them.
Farming is something that runs down our family. It's interesting that there's never a country that we've been in that they haven't done farming. Farming was always part of my life, and it's still part of my life today. Growing our own food is not just beneficial for us. It's something that really helps out other people that we know, because we usually grow more than we need and more than we can use. And so after we grow and we store some up in the freezer, We get to share them to friends. Something really amazing that I learned from my parents in farming is always getting down to the basics and simplicity of life. Food is a very essential thing. It's the idea of food sovereignty. Oftentimes, it's so easy to rely on this already established food industry, but it comes with many problems. The quality of the food, the prices and everything, like we have so little control. The idea of just being self-reliant and growing your own food is amazing, and I've come to embrace it.
winti yije nyene nca mpagarika byose.
Sinocita ikibazo ariko ni n'akarere twari turimo ko kari kameze, byari bikenewe ko kumbure tubona ikintu cyo dufasha mu gihe c'imbeho kugira ibiterwa byacu bimwe bimwe ntibipfe, cyane cyane nk'imboga dukomeze tubone imboga cyane cyane.
Yarampamagaye ati mama nuze hano, ndagenda, ati hariho umushyitsi ugomba kuraba, ndagenda. Aranyereka ati rero buriya nabonye uvunika cyane, none nakuguriye green house uzoje ushyiramo ibyo bintu byawe kugira ngo nawe wumve ko ufise amahoro.
We see it as a way to be sustainable. I think the greenhouse we have in the backyard is just a sign of that. That same passion, that same understanding of what food sovereignty is.
Byanyeretse ko abana bacu ibyo dukora nabo babikurikiranira hafi, bumva bo dufasha, byaranshimishije cyane.
Ariko nubwo ndimo hano hantu nk'ubu numva nshaka nko mu hantu hagutse kuko akahabusa kurima.
Ikibazo numva kindagishinga nuko ntokomeza kuba mu muji, ahubwo noba mu misozi, ahantu nshobora kubona ahantu hanini ho kurima, bishobotse no korora numva ubwo buzima aribwo nifuza. Numva ari ahantu haba hari quiet kandi hashobora kumfasha gukora